Financial freedom is a goal many aspire to achieve. Have you ever thought about it? The idea of living without financial constraints, being able to make choices that align with your passions and values, is incredibly appealing. But how do we get there? Today, I'll guide you on this path. It's a journey that requires dedication, effort, and most importantly, the right mindset. It's not easy, but it's possible. Together, we'll explore the steps to transform your financial reality. Are you ready to uncover the secrets of financial freedom? Imagine adopting the mindset of a millionaire, engaging in daily practices that pave the way to financial success. This journey is about more than just accumulating wealth. It's about fundamentally changing the way you think and act regarding money. Whether you're struggling to make ends meet or looking to elevate your financial game, the principles we'll discuss can revolutionize your financial life. Before we dive in, I want to set a powerful intention. If you're ready to embark on this transformative journey, comment, "I'm ready." This simple act signifies your commitment to change, and if you believe in the possibility of financial freedom, type "I believe." These affirmations are the first step in aligning your mindset with your financial goals. Let's get started on this path to prosperity. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins in the mind. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable insights to help you cultivate a prosperity mindset and set yourself on the path to lasting wealth, understanding financial freedom. First, let's define financial freedom. Financial freedom means having enough income to cover your living expenses for the rest of your life without having to work full-time. It's the point where money is no longer a constant worry. Imagine waking up each day and choosing how to spend your time, not based on financial obligations, but on what truly matters to you. This freedom allows you to pursue your passions, whether it's traveling the world, starting a new hobby, or volunteering for a cause you care about. Financial freedom also means spending more quality time with loved ones. You can be there for your family and friends, creating memories and experiences together without the stress of financial pressure hanging over you. In essence, financial freedom is about living life on your own terms. It's about having the peace of mind that comes from knowing your financial future is secure. No more living paycheck to paycheck. No more sleepless nights worrying about bills. Instead, you have the freedom to enjoy life and focus on what truly makes you happy. Now that we understand what financial freedom is, let's explore how to achieve it. We divide it into 7 steps. The last 2 steps are very important for growth mindset, so watch the video till the end. The power of a growth mindset. At the core of achieving financial freedom is adopting a growth mindset. What exactly is a growth mindset? Unlike a fixed mindset, which believes that abilities and intelligence are static and unchangeable, a growth mindset is the belief that we can develop our skills and knowledge through dedication and hard work. People with a fixed mindset might think, "I'm just not good with money," and give up when faced with financial challenges. But those with a growth mindset see challenges as opportunities to learn and improve. They understand that setbacks are part of the journey and use them as motivation to keep going. For example, if an investment doesn't go as planned, someone with a growth mindset will analyze what went wrong, learn from it, and try again with better strategies. They see effort as the path to mastery, knowing that every step, even the difficult ones, brings them closer to their goals. This mindset shift is crucial for financial success because it keeps you moving forward. It encourages you to seek out new knowledge, develop better habits, and stay resilient in the face of adversity. With a growth mindset, you believe that you have the power to change your financial situation, no matter where you start. In essence, adopting a growth mindset transforms the way you approach money and financial goals. It opens the door to continuous improvement and ultimately leads you to financial freedom. Setting clear financial goals. Haberman emphasizes the importance of setting clear, actionable financial goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to lose direction and get overwhelmed. So, where do you start? Begin by identifying your short-term and long-term financial objectives. Short-term goals might include things like paying off credit card debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a vacation. These are goals you can achieve within a year or two. Long-term goals, on the other hand, are those that take more time and planning. These might include saving for a house, investing for retirement, or funding your children's education. These goals require a longer commitment and a more strategic approach. Having specific goals gives you a roadmap to follow. For example, if your goal is to pay off debt, you can create a plan to pay a certain amount each month. If you're saving for a house, you can determine how much you need to save each month to reach your down payment target. Setting clear goals also helps you stay motivated. It's easier to make financial sacrifices and stay disciplined when you know exactly what you're working towards. Plus, reaching smaller milestones along the way can give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you on track. Remember, your financial goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, also known as SMART goals. This way, you can clearly see your progress and adjust your plans as needed. In summary, setting clear financial goals is essential for achieving financial freedom. It provides direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose in your financial journey. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to join our journey to 100,000 subscribers. Your support helps us reach more people and share valuable insights on achieving financial freedom. Comment, "I am already subscribed" if you're already part of our community. Let's continue to grow and learn together, supporting each other on the path to financial prosperity. Embracing financial education. Knowledge is power. To achieve financial freedom, you must continuously educate yourself about personal finance. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make regarding your money. Start by reading books on personal finance. There are many great resources out there that cover topics like budgeting, investing, and wealth building. Books can provide you with a solid foundation of knowledge and different perspectives on how to manage your money. Taking courses is another excellent way to expand your financial knowledge. Many online platforms offer courses on a wide range of financial topics, from basic money management to advanced investment strategies. These courses can give you practical skills and insights that you can apply to your financial life. Following credible financial experts is also crucial. These experts can offer valuable advice, tips, and strategies that are based on years of experience. Whether through blogs, podcasts, or social media, staying updated with the latest financial trends and advice can help you make informed decisions. In essence, embracing financial education empowers you to take control of your financial future. The more you learn, the more confident and capable you'll become in managing your money and working towards financial freedom. Developing a positive relationship with money. Your beliefs about money can either propel you forward or hold you back. Haberman suggests developing a positive relationship with money by recognizing it as a tool for freedom, not a source of stress. Many people view money with fear or anxiety, seeing it as a source of problems. This negative mindset can create barriers to financial success. Instead, start seeing money as a tool that can help you achieve your goals and dreams. This shift in perspective can open up new possibilities and reduce financial stress. Practice gratitude for what you have. Acknowledge the financial resources you currently possess, no matter how small they may seem. This gratitude can create a positive mindset that attracts more abundance into your life. Stay optimistic about your financial future. Believe that you can achieve financial freedom and that every step you take brings you closer to that goal. Positive thinking can influence your actions and decisions, leading to better financial outcomes. Developing a positive relationship with money is about changing your mindset. When you see money as a friend and a tool for freedom, you're more likely to make decisions that lead to financial success. This positive attitude can be a powerful force on your journey to financial freedom. Building multiple streams of income. Relying on a single income source can be risky. Haberman advocates for creating multiple streams of income to achieve financial security. This means having more than one way to earn money, which can protect you if one income stream dries up. One way to create additional income is by investing in stocks. Stocks can provide dividends and capital gains, helping your money grow over time. It's important to do your research or consult with a financial advisor to make informed investment choices. Real estate is another avenue for generating income. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of rental income, and real estate often appreciates in value over time. This can be a solid long-term investment if managed properly. Starting a side business is also a great option. Whether it's freelancing, selling products online, or offering a service, a side business can provide extra income and potentially grow into a full-time venture. Diversifying your income reduces risk and increases financial stability. By having multiple streams of income, you're better prepared to handle financial challenges and more likely to achieve financial freedom. Practicing financial discipline. Financial discipline is key to maintaining and growing your wealth. It starts with creating a budget. A budget helps you plan your expenses and ensures you're living within your means. Track your expenses to see where your money is going. This can help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Avoid unnecessary debt, as it can be a major obstacle to financial freedom. If you do have debt, create a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. Haberman recommends living below your means. This means spending less than you earn and saving or investing the difference. By doing this, you can build a solid financial foundation and have funds available for emergencies or investment opportunities. Practicing financial discipline requires commitment and consistency, but the rewards are worth it. It helps you stay in control of your finances and move steadily towards your financial goals. Surrounding yourself with the right influences. The people you surround yourself with can significantly impact your financial mindset. If you're around people who are financially responsible and ambitious, you're more likely to adopt similar habits. Seek out mentors who can provide guidance and share their experiences. Mentors can offer valuable advice and support as you work towards your financial goals. Join financial communities, either online or in person, where you can learn from others and share your own experiences. Being part of a community can keep you motivated and accountable. Network with like-minded individuals who inspire and motivate you to achieve your financial goals. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can help you stay focused and committed to your financial journey. In summary, your environment plays a crucial role in your financial success. By surrounding yourself with the right influences, you can cultivate a mindset that supports your path to financial freedom. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but the journey of growth and learning along the way. Thank you for watching, and here's to your financial freedom. See you in the next video.